I did a lot of good work with alarms. I sold a lot of alarm systems, and one of the things I'm excited about this year is that I could probably start right now with this product and sell as many alarm systems as I did in 9 months last year, because it's so high tech and the ability to be able to take over existing alarm systems like we can now. Most people, when they get alarm systems, they're not given the full package. Usually part of their home is being monitored and part of it's not. With our ability to come take over systems with this product here, we can actually fully monitor their entire home. That's pretty exciting. So some of those statistics he's talking about are people that have had their homes broken into because they didn't have proper security. They had some, minimal, but not proper. And so I'm going to get to talk about some of the cool features that we have as far as equipment goes. And I think I need the next slide. Okay. Nate kind of touched on it. He said we're cellular. And some people kind of get that confused and they say wireless and cellular. So I want to kind of distinguish those two things. Most homes that are out there have been wired for security, which means when the builder built the homes, there's wires going from doors and windows and everything to a main central station in the home. Well, we can take over those central stations and add wireless parts to the house, like say, for example, photoelectric sensors or something like that. We can put little wireless sensors around the entire home, so we don't have to rewire those houses with new product. Does that make sense? Okay. Cellular is how the signal's being sent. So most houses are actually on landlines right now. About 95% of all homes in America that have alarm systems are using a landline transmission device with the actual telephone box that controls that alarm on the outside of the home. We are fully cellular, which means that once we put a cellular transmitter in your home, we can actually monitor your house faster, safer, and smarter than we've ever had before. Faster meaning that when your alarm goes off, your profile for your house is sent with that signal. Smarter meaning that when your alarm goes off, if you're 2 to 5 minutes from your home, you're receiving a text message at the same time. And safer, no one can cut your phone lines and break into your home. Is that a good thing?
Yeah.
It's awesome. We have anti-smash and crash. That's huge because the veteran criminals, they know if they can break into your home and get in there and within 13 seconds find your main keypad, they can rip the keypad off the wall, slam it down, and stomp on it, and the signal does not get sent. That's pretty scary. Okay? But with our smash and crash feature, it doesn't happen. It prevents that from even being done. Smart Voice, it's one of our premium products. Smart Voice is like what I call the safe and sound technology, because you really have the ultimate peace of mind with this product. Smart Voice, we're the only company that can provide the Smart Voice service over a cellular line, which means if anybody else has anything close to this, it's ran on the landline. But you have to remember your landline has already been cut, so this product won't work on any other system but ours. Smart Voice allows us, with an amplifying device, to come through your house when the alarm goes off. When the intercom is going on, we have an intercom system in the home, and we can amplify all sounds in your home 8 times louder than the human ear. So if you can hear it, we can hear it 8 times louder through the intercom system. So if someone's in your home and they break in, and we can hear, and the siren is going off, and they're running through the house to try to grab your stuff and get out so that nobody knows it, so they can try to beat the police. Well, we can stop the siren, and we can listen for everything. If we hear heavy breathing, tiptoeing, speaking, rummaging through your stuff, we can hear it all. In a 2,800 square foot home, we can hear the entire thing clearly. And we come across the intercom, we say, this is Monotronics, identify yourself immediately. If they can't give us a name and password within 13 seconds, we raise your priority status of your intrusion to a burglary in progress, which is the difference maker in the police officer dropping the donut or not. I'm serious. I mean, you have the photoelectric system for your home. It's a photoelectric smoke and heat detector, which can actually get a fireman to your home before neighbors can even report smoke.
Wow.
That's how bad it is. I mean, that's how good it is.
Yes.
What it does is a heat sensing device that can detect heat even within walls. As the temperature goes from 85 to 135 degrees within a certain period of time, it'll go ahead and set off a flag. Then it does a smoke analysis and air test. That's why they put this next to the return air in your home. If there's any type of chemicals in the smoke, like wood, foam, insulation, rubber, upholstery, things that would be consistent with your house burning, rather than just like a piece of toast in a toaster, they know something's going on. They can go ahead and have the signals being sent through monotronics to the fire department and say, listen, you checked heat, you checked smoke, there's chemicals in it, get over there. And we know how fast our fire departments are. They're pretty good. Okay? Never seen a out-of-shape fireman. They're pretty good. Our touchscreen keypad, phenomenal. This is a slam dunk. This is why we're going to hit 15 sales next week. This touchscreen keypad, and that's me, by the way, 15 sales.
Yeah.
Okay. This touchscreen keypad, there's no keys, there's no buttons, there's no hang-ups, nothing at all. It's all colored, full color touchscreen. Right now, one of the biggest things we've had problems with is actual criminals come up to your keypad, flipping it down like this, and holding a black light right here so you can see which of these keys are darkest. They take the four keys that are the darkest, and they assume those are your 4 numbers for your house. And if your address is 9860 and 9860 is lit up, they're going to try to put 9860 in there and try to shut your alarm off. They have 13 seconds to throw as many codes in as they want. It's pretty scary. With our system, if I go on here, the first button I'm going to push is security, and that's going to bring up the next screen, which is ARM. ARM is over here. I hit ARM. It's going to bring up the next.
It worked. It kind of did something when you
touched
it.
Pretty cool. It's going to bring up a numeric keypad, and that's where you enter your code in. The whole point I'm trying to make here is, with this system here, you're touching the entire screen, and it's fully interactive, which means that if they hold a black light up to them, more power to them, because your fingerprints are all over the place. Okay, and our product will never be outdated. This is intense, man. This is why no one else will be able to take over our product. Once it's in the home, it's going to be there forever. Because with our system, that keypad, which is, if you can go and bring that back up again, please. Our keypad, the software in here is updated just like the software on your PDA phone. So, and it actually, the whole operating system is updated. So, if your system ever gets out of date, we just change the software and download the new software to the house through the internet lines. So, I mean, with that new product, there's no reason to ever have to update again. Plus, because, the next screen, we also do home automation functions. So, we're geared, this product, we designed this so that it would go beyond 2020, the year 2020, because we're adding lights, AC units. We'll be able to control your lights with your cell phone. Basically, be able to, if you're in New York, let's say, for example, I fly to New York right now, right? And I'm at the airport, and I'm like, did I set my alarm? I don't know, let me see. I look down here at DFW airport, I'm like, whoa, I did not set my alarm. Let me set that real quick. How stupid of me. Okay? Set the alarm, get on the airplane, and I'm flying to New York right now, right? I fly to New York, I get off the plane, put my bags in the hotel, get in the cab, and I'm going to go to the Statue of Liberty, right? I'm in the Statue of Liberty, right? And I'm like, I get a phone call. Mr. Mike Singletime here to clean your house. I'm like, oh, okay, no problem. 1 second. I unlock the door from the Statue of Liberty, right? And I turn the alarm off so that my maid can get in and clean the house. And I say, listen, the alarm is going to reset in 45 minutes. Make sure you're out. Otherwise, you'll be locked in. Okay, awesome. Boom. 45 minutes, I reset the alarm. I relock the door, get in the car, go back to the airport, go back to my hotel, eventually go back to the airport. Decide if I want to fly to San Francisco, right? I'm in San Francisco because I'm on a huge tour talking about SmartWave. I'm flying everywhere, man. Right? I'm in San Francisco and I'm like, whoa, I wonder how, it's pretty hot in Texas today. I'm going to go ahead and just adjust my house because my dog's in the house. So I'm going to go ahead, I want to adjust the thermostat in my home. I can actually raise and lower the thermostat. Not programmable, it's programmed by you. When you want to change it, you can change it. You can unlock doors, you can adjust the thermostat, you can do your lighting. And they're adding new things every month. You're doing sprinkler systems, toasters, washer and dryers. It's all being done.
Make dinner.
And they actually even have we're actually going to come out with a product down the road 2-3 years from now, mimicking a product that's already at the cost tens of thousands of dollars. It's an oven, right? That is actually a refrigerator, thaw, cooker. A woman can take, or man, sorry, watch out, take the food from the refrigerator, put it in the oven at 8 a.m. Shut the oven, put it on cool. to work. At around 2 o'clock, or 12 o'clock even, they can start the thawing process on the oven. Okay, around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, after they get off work, they can start the cooking process. When they walk in, it's like walking in to like home-cooked meal. It's awesome, it's already ready. So this is already available now. With some people that are paying tens to $20,000 for these products, they're coming out with ways to make it available for $100 to maybe $1,000 for that product. So this is where we're going. All these products are coming out by 2020. 85% of all homes will be smart homes. That's pretty much it. I want to go ahead and bring back Keith. Keith is going to announce the next speaker. I'm excited about this product. I'm glad I was able to share it with you guys. And I do trainings also with these guys here on Tuesdays and Thursdays for any further detail.